Studying at UAL. Welcome to UAL. We're excited to have you join our creative community. Your course this year will include a mix of face-to-face sessions and online learning. Your course team will explain how teaching will work in your college, including access to buildings, studios, and equipment. The online elements of your course will include core tasks and also encourage you to take your learning further. You will be able to use online activities to explore areas of personal interest in greater depth. When you are learning online, you may be asked to do the following: join a lecture or participate in a workshop or tutorial. Read, watch, or listen to online study materials. Join an online forum to discuss your group's work, share feedback, and ask questions. Collaborate online with other students on a project brief. Or finally, to submit your work online for assessment. Actively discussing and working with your tutors and peers online will help you get the most from your course. It is your opportunity to practice communicating your ideas and to get feedback from a wide group of people in a safe and supportive setting. To help get you started, this video will talk you through the key digital learning tools we use at UAL, some hints and tips to help you collaborate online, a few words about your privacy, and where to go if you need help. You can access the university's online tools like Moodle, our main learning platform, from your web browser or by downloading the free My UAL app for your smartphone or device. Log on to all UAL online tools using your university ID and password. Your course team will also send messages to your UAL email address, so please do remember to check it regularly. Moodle is a tool that will be the main home for your course online. Visit Moodle regularly for important information about your course, to take part in online activities such as forums and webinars, and to submit assessments. Collaborate Ultra is an online classroom. Your course will be using it for live online activities such as lectures, workshops, and seminars. Your course team will create the links for these sessions. Look in Moodle to find them, or later on to watch back any recordings. Your tutors may also set up video calls and chat for smaller groups using Microsoft Teams. Office 365, which includes Teams, is available for all students to download free of charge. Your course teams will let you know if you will be using any other UAL tools. For example, MyBlog, Workflow, and Padlet are all ways of creating and sharing work online. Digital platforms can be a great way to share your ideas and experiences with others. Please help us create these as positive online spaces at UAL. Spend time reading and listening to what others have to say. When you comment, please be kind, be accurate, and explain what you mean carefully. Remember that online communication can be easily misinterpreted. University academic regulations also apply online, especially the requirement to communicate with others in a thoughtful and respectful manner. If you see any inappropriate comments or remarks, avoid getting involved in any discussion. You can report it directly to your course leader or use the university's Tell Someone, Report and Support webpage. Your privacy is important. Your face, your voice, and your home are forms of online data. You can choose whether to join online classes using your camera, including changing your video background, or using audio only. While you are studying online, the university safeguards your data by using selected online tools for teaching. Outside class, you can, of course, still use other tools like social media and other apps to stay in touch with your classmates. Please don't share materials or recordings of sessions online. Your online spaces at UAL should be a safe place for learning, so it's important you feel free to share your thoughts and your work, knowing that they won't be seen outside your course. Where to get help? For questions about Moodle or Collaborate Ultra, please speak to your course team. For issues with your UAL login, password, or Office 365, such as Outlook email or Teams, contact IT support. You can either raise a ticket on My Support, or if it's urgent, call the IT service desk. Find the IT support tile on the My UAL app or search IT services on arts.ac.uk. If you choose to call, the phone lines are open 24/7, 365 days a year. As a student at UAL, you can use 6 libraries, 3 learning zones, and an archives and special collections centre. Book a study space online or use the reservations click and collect system to borrow from any library. Find out more on the library web pages or follow us on social media. All courses also have a dedicated librarian to support them. Your librarian works closely with your course to prepare reading list material. They can help you find resources for your research and also support you with referencing. Contact them for email support or to make a one-to-one face-to-face video booking. In addition to the teaching on your course, academic support is available to all students at UAL from foundation to PhD level. Join activities designed to help you with academic skills such as essay writing, managing information, making presentations, and working collaboratively. Sessions can take place both with students from your college and from across UAL, so you can meet and collaborate with students from other subject areas. Book group and one-to-one sessions via academic support online. Congratulations, you're now familiar with the core online tools we use at UAL and how to get help with your studies. Take a look at the Studying Online page for other videos about Moodle and our online classrooms. Log into Moodle and explore. And do check out the big welcome pages for all the information, help and guidance to get your time at UAL off to a great start. We're looking forward to meeting you soon.